a 37mm ultra-thin body, a 600 by 337.5 cabinet weighing just 4.6 kilograms. The KHE series makes installation effortless, thinner, lighter, smarter. Picture quality, uncompromised. With patented PSE technology, every detail shines in ultra-high definition. The 7680 Hz refresh rate delivers buttery-smooth motion, free from flicker. The real breakthrough is invisible. Our unique black background design achieves 100% light transmittance. Result? Same brightness, 50% less power, greener and more economical. Heat is the silent enemy. Every 10 degrees Celsius rise cuts component life in half. The AI-powered cooling system intelligently controls temperature, ensuring unwavering stability. And we care about your comfort. TÜV Rheinland-certified low blue light. Front maintenance for ultimate convenience. KHE Series, ultra thin, ultra smart, uncompromised.